Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit this particle effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video and I'm just going to freeze frame that, and then I'm going to go to the the AI stylized section, go to style, select OK, and then select particle, and then select this one first. And then as you can see, it's going to disappear. And then I'm going to copy and paste that. Well, I'll just freeze frame this part again. And then I'm just going to put it here. And then I'm going to select that one, go back to AI stylized, select style, okay. And then select the other particles. So it's like going back, it's like putting back together again, if you understand what I mean, hopefully. Like that. And that is pretty much it. Super simple, but super fun. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!